Hi friends, let's make pasta suya for lunch. You see this particular pasta is not your regular pasta. This pasta is special. Come, let me take you through it. First, you'll be needing a bowl. Then you'll be pouring in your shredded beef. You can use any protein of your choice, chicken or turkey, but if you want to have a very good result, use beef. To spice it up, I added a little bit of salt, some garlic powder, some rosemary. You can add thyme. I added some curry powder. I added some ginger and seasoning powder. Then I added suya spices. That is why it's called pasta suya. Enough suya spices. Then I added extra vegetable oil. I'll put on my hand glove and mix because the suya spices has pepper in it. This is what it will look like after mixing. Then you get your foil paper or your transparent paper. Wrap this, leave it to marinate for 10 minutes and set aside. Then we'll move on with our pan. Just add a little bit of vegetable oil. When making pasta, I don't like to add too much oil because the beef already has a little bit of its own oil and all that. So I'll pour in the shredded beef. Then I'll allow this to fry on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. This is what it looks like after frying for about a minute. I'll give this a stir and cover it to cook. Let it just soften a little bit because the beef is hard. This is the juice that came out. I'll give this another stir. So just make sure it's not burning. Then I'll close it again. Leave this to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So this is what it looks like. At this point, all you have to do is to stir fry. While frying, reduce the heat so it will get burnt. Then you fry until it turns brown, just like this. Once your suya is like this, you just scoop it out. In the same pan, I'll add some vegetable oil. Then I'll proceed to add a chopped onion. Allow this to fry for about a minute. Then I'll be adding the tomato paste. With the tomato paste, leave it to fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Keep stirring so that your tomato paste will not get burnt. Then I'll be adding extra yellow pepper. The soya spice already has its own pepper, but because this pasta is not for adults, I added extra pepper. Then I added the tomato. You can use fresh tomato. Here I use canned tomato. Give this a stir, then we'll start to season. To season it, you don't need too much. Just add some salt, seasoning cube, curry, anyhow you want to season your sauce. Just season garlic, ginger, the normal, the usual one. Then give this another stir just to make sure everything marry each other. Then you close this and allow to cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. This is what it looks like after cooking for medium heat. Then we'll be pouring in the pasta. My pasta is already cooked. I already cooked the pasta one side. I'll give this a stir to combine. Then I'll be introducing the oga pata pata of them or the suya. Add the suya, give this a stir. We cannot make this recipe without adding egg. What did they do you? Oh yeah, add eggs, Joe. I added 3 eggs. Give this a very good stir, a very good one. Then I'll close it to heat up a bit for like 2 to 3 minutes. Let the juice, everything, let them marry each other, Let it be succulent. So this is what it looks like. You see this pasta? I wish I can dish it for everyone else to taste it. It's just perfect. By the way, this pasta is not for children. Thank you for watching.